Hey folks, problem number 62. So notice what's happening. We have a fraction, not a fraction, and a fraction. So if everyone's a fraction, we could do that one trick I like, where if the bottoms are all the same, we get rid of them. So this 3 that's not a fraction, if we put a 1 underneath it, now it is a fraction. So I see a 3, I see a 1, I see a 9. Let's get the common denominator of 9, lowest common denominator. So this needs to be a 9, so I need to multiply by 3. So multiply the bottom by 3, multiply the top by 3. So I put parentheses around the whole top. This one needs, it needs to be a 9, so I have to multiply by 9, multiply by 9. So you see the bottom's 9, the bottom's 9, the bottom's 9. Okay, bottoms are all the same. Get rid of them. So that leaves us up top with a 3 times 10y minus 2 in parentheses, plus 9 times 3 is 27 equals 10y plus 1. Let's distribute this out here. The 3 times 10y is 30y. 3 times minus sign 2, minus sign 6, plus 27 equals 10y plus 1. Negative 6 and a 27 is 21, right? 30y plus 21 equals 10y plus 1. Okay, let's get all the y's onto the left side. So minus 10y minus 10y. See how whatever I do to the right, I do to the left, or vice versa. Whatever I do to the left, I do to the right. And we want all the numbers on this side. So let's subtract 21, subtract 21. Subtract, so those go bye-bye. 30y minus 10y is a 20y. Equal sign. 10y minus 10y, bye-bye. A 1 and a negative 21. Negative 20. Get y completely alone. Divide by 20. Divide by 20. Y is equal to negative 1. Ta-da! Okay, so that was 62. Decimally stuff. 66. Maybe I can turn the page sideways? Saving trees. 66. 66, we have point, let me see if I'm being filmed, looks good. 0.7, I'll just say 0.7 because no need, plus 0.4 equals 0.6x plus 2.4. Okay, so there's decimally stuff. There's one thing behind the decimal, one thing behind the decimal, one thing. So let's say there was 2 things behind the decimal. I'd multiply everyone by 100 to get rid of all the decimal. So since there's only one thing in each, what if I take this whole equation and I just multiply by 10? So in theory, I'm multiplying both sides by 10, or lazy ways you say I'm multiplying the whole thing by 10. So if you multiply by 10, that just moves the decimal. So this becomes 7x plus 4 equals 6x plus, move the decimal, 24. And now we're back on familiar grounds. Subtract 6x, subtract 6x. So all the x's will be on this side. Subtract 4, subtract 4. That's an x. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Equal sign. 24 minus 4 is 20. And we're done. X is 20. Okay, so that should be good. And then moving on to 2.2. 2.2, let us try problem number, oh my, let's see, 82. 82. Let's see, save some paper. 82 says, list 5 negative thoughts. That's stupid. 84. 84. 84. That's a better problem. Okay. There are 18 Cub Scouts in Troop 645. The number of scouts is 3 more than 5 times the number of adult leaders. Find the number of adult leaders. There are 18 Cub Scouts. Okay. So then there's the Cub Scouts, and then there's the adults. Cubs, Scout, adult, leader, Okay, there are 18 Cub Scouts. Cub Scouts, 18. Okay. The number of scouts is, so is an equal sign, is, the number of scouts is 3 more than 5 times, I'll say adult leaders is A, is 3 more than 5 times the number of adult leaders. So 5 times the adult, so 3 more, right, plus 3 more than 5 times the number of adult leaders. 5 times the number of adult leaders and 3 more than that. So the words, they kind of put the little 3 more in front to confuse you. And that's equal to the number of scouts, which was 18. Oh my gosh. So to get to this point, you got to read it like 3, 4, 5 times. And then once you have it, so you're like, okay, I think this is it. Read it one more time. The number of scouts is, so that's the number of scouts, is 3 more than 5 times the number of adults. Okay, find the number of adult leaders. Okay, so just solve this for big A. So subtract 3, 15 equals, bye-bye, 5A divided by 5 divided by 5. 15 over 5 is 3. So 3 is A, but we usually like putting the variable on the left, so we just say A is 3. Ta-da! That was number 84. Okay. Let us try. That was 84. Let's try 88. 88. The difference, I know you folks love word problems. The difference of a number and 8 is 4. The difference, subtract. The difference of a number is x. The difference of a number, 88. The difference of a number and 8 is 4. The difference of a number and 8. The difference of a number and 8, the difference between those, is equal sign 4. The difference of a number and 8 is 4. Okay, cool. So again, this is the hard part, translating the words into an algebraic statement, and now we just solve. Add 8, x equals 12. Bye-bye. Okay. Try number 90, since this is fun. Number 90. The sum of twice a number and 6 is 14. The sum, you're adding things together, sum. The sum of twice a number, 2x, the sum of twice a number and 6 is equal sign. The sum of twice a number and 6 is equal sign 14. Okay, so do you see how I'm reading this many, many times? I've been doing this forever, but still that's how the process. You have to read it multiple times, and then once you have it, double check, triple check, and then once you have this written down, then you just solve. Boom. So now this is easy street. Get x alone. 8, y divided by 2, x is 4. Ta-da! Okay. I didn't look at these problems ahead of time, so maybe I might get stumped. Let's hope not. Let's try number 100. One number is 11 less than another. One number is 11 less than another. If their sum is increased by 8, the result is 71. What the? One number is 11 less than another. If their sum is increased by 8, the result is 71. Is 71. Okay, that makes sense. One number is 11 less than that. If their sum is increased by 8, if their sum, I'm adding two things together. That's the sum. That's the sum of two things. If their sum is increased by 8, adding two things together, the sum increased by 8 is 71. See how fun these are? One number is 11 less than another. Okay, so if this number is, let's just let this one be x, and this number is 11 less, one number is 11 less than another. X minus 11. Oh my gosh. See how fun this is, folks? Okay, so I think I have it. Let me just double check. Number 100. One number is 11 less than another. Okay. If their sum, add them up, yes, is increased by 8, yes, the result is equals 71. Ta-da! Okay. So x plus x minus 11 plus 8 equals 71. Yes, I know getting this first line was super difficult, but did you see how I thought through it? I didn't see it right away. It took me like 5 readings. So that's 2x, combine like terms. A negative 11 and an 8, they're both on the same side. Minus 3 equals 71. Okay, easy street. Add 3, 2x equals 74. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals, 74 divided by 2. You would think a math teacher could do that in their head. You'd think. 37. Okay, cool. That was problem number 100. Let me just pause right there, and then I'll keep making more.